How can I feel if my brain is recovering in a porn reboot? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let's talk about that. So, you may hear me talk in the videos that you can feel your brain. And people ask me, what does that mean, feel my brain? Am I ever going to be able to feel my brain? Well, I hope so, because when your brain is running well, you have much greater self-awareness of how you're using your brain and how that is impacting your thoughts and your behaviors. So when your brain is running really fast, you might be highly impulsive, you might have a lot of compulsive behaviors, you might engage in interactions that are not appropriate, but you may not even be aware of how your behavior is playing out, or especially how it's impacting other people, because your brain is going so fast. Typically, when your brain is cranking along like that, you cannot feel it. Your self-awareness is low. And I see this all the time when I help people regulate their brain performance pattern and bring it back into the optimal zone. Then they can feel their brain. They can feel the days that it might be a bit more difficult for them to stay on course with their reboot activities. They can feel the days where their brain is in a really good spot and it's a great day to go the extra mile to get more things done when you're on purpose in your work, your relationships, and your hobbies, especially your work. But that is what I mean by feel your brain. So on a daily basis, I can feel my brain. Hopefully most days it feels good and I'm ready to go, and I can feel how it's calm. I can feel how it's focused. If I wake up and I'm tired and I'm cranky, that's the other speed over here, slow speed. I can feel that I'm off, that my brain isn't running as fast as it typically does, and that is a day that I will take it easy. And if my brain's running really slow, those are the days that I take a mental health day, and I may even cancel appointments, which I really don't do that very often. But if I'm set to make videos, or if I'm preparing a course, or if I'm doing anything like that, then that comes off the docket for the day, and I do more chilling and relaxing so my brain can recover for the next day. So that's how you can feel your brain. You know when your brain is getting away from you, it's running too fast, you're anxious, you're feeling particularly stressed, you might be going a million miles a minute, you may have a million thoughts a minute. That's a day that your brain is up here, it's on overdrive. You might feel when you're sluggish, you're overwhelmed, you're bored, you feel like you want some stimulation. That's when your brain is running slower down here. And then you can feel the days, hopefully more and more of them, where your brain is in the middle and you are in flow and you feel calm and focused and you can tap into the present joy of whatever you're doing in your life. That is our goal. And then being able to feel the three states becomes critically important so that you can keep leveling up and keep moving forward in your goals. Okay, I hope that helps you out, and I hope that you're feeling your brain come online and you're becoming more aware. I challenge you every morning to try to feel what your brain is doing, because you will get better and better at feeling it if you keep trying. Okay, if you would like help in your recovery journey, please reach out to me at drtrishleigh.com. Check out my website. I'm adding more services and I'm adding more variety in my courses and services. So please check it out, and remember, control your brain or it'll control you.